Hi guys, what's up? Today I'll be doing unboxing and review of FITKIT Classic Bottle Shaker. I bought it from Flipkart for only 85 rupees during a Big Billion Day. It's a super cheap. The regular price currently right now is only 149. So anyway, let's check it out. The packaging is pretty good. It comes with this black plastic. So let's quickly open and see what's inside. First thing, the text or the quotes, I don't sweat, I sparkle on the bottle. The text looks awesome. It looks pretty good. Matches up with the bottle. And it is a 700 bottle shaker. I just ordered for my personal use. So let's check out how the quality goes and see if it's worth buying. Looking into the handle, it is significantly smaller. You will be able to carry easily for transportation to gym or office. And for the drink, here is the lid on the mouth of the bottle. It is a leak-proof lid. There's no issue with the leakage. Inside of this bottle, as you can see, the spring. This is a mixer. It helps blend your protein or whatever. Just put the water and protein and shake it well, and it will blend. That's all. As you guys can see, here's the measurement marking R on outside of this bottle. It is quite useful when you care about measuring your liquid. You can measure up to 700 ml. And here's the thing, what I mostly don't like about this FITKIT bottle shaker. It is made up with a cheap plastic material. It smells plastic inside the bottle. It smells terrible. It is pretty bad, but it didn't go away. Even if I washed multiple times, still the plastic smell is coming from this bottle. But I don't know if it's good for health, but I don't personally like this bottle. So at this price point, I can't complain. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys are interested in trying one of this bottle shaker, you can click that link down below for my description. For 85 rupees, which is not too bad. But if you care about the smell like me, honestly, this plastic bottle, it sucks, smells terrible. I think maybe you should spend extra 100 to 200 rupees and buy a new good one. Maybe a stainless steel will be a good choice. Yeah, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, then smash the thumbs up button and also like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, peace.